Hello, good morning, students. We are live now. Good morning, Navya. Is my audio and video clear? Is my audio and video clear? So I can see you people are joining. Navya, Matthew, Divyashri, Likhita, Sanika, Aditya, Monish, Abhinandan. Okay, thanks for the confirmation. So today we are going to do linear inequations. This is part 1 of linear inequations. So in this session, today MCQs and assertion reason based questions we will do. So let's start. So 10 of you have joined. I think we have good strength to go. Let's start. And before I start, I want you to write along with me. Your pen and notebooks should be with you so that you can write and solve the questions along with me. If you simply listen the video lessons, it will not help you because we are doing maths. So you have to write and solve the questions along with me. Only then you will be able to understand in a better way. Okay, so let's start now. Linear inequations. We are going to start. First of all, I'll just explain you rules how to solve linear inequations. Before that, I'll tell you what is the meaning of inequation. So normally we have seen equations like that x plus y or x plus 5 something. With examples, I'll explain you is equals to 0. So whenever you see this sign of equality, this is a sign of equality. So whenever sign of equality is there, so particular expression is known as equation. Whenever sign of equality is there, so this expression is known as equation. So that's what we have already done in lower grades. Now we have sign of inequalities also. So inequalities signs are greater than, less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to. So now in this chapter you will see expressions or equations. These are not equations, these are actually inequations, like x plus 5 less than 0 or x plus 5 less than equals to 0, x plus 5 greater than 0, x plus 5 greater than equals to 0. So you can see now symbols of equations, symbols of inequalities will be there. So when inequalities are there, so particular expressions are known as linear inequations. Linear inequations. So now rules will understand how to solve linear inequations. With the help of examples, I will explain the rules. Almost all the rules are same for linear inequations also. Like suppose if I have linear inequation like this, 3x plus 4 less than 16. 3x plus 4 less than 16. If I have to solve the value of x here, if I have to solve, say this is inequation, as symbol of inequality is there, less than is there, this is inequation. So whenever we have inequation, certain rules are there. Here also we will be finding the value of the unknown variable. Like if we have to find x, so here we have to shift positive 4 to other side. When we shift to positive 4 to other side, it will become negative 4. Same as we used to do in case of linear equations also. Positive 4 will be changed to negative 4, and also when this 3 we are going to shift to other side. Here 3 is getting multiplied. When we shift 3 to other side, so 6 minus 4 is 12. When we shift 3 to other side, it will get changed to division. So that means here I'll tell you, when positive number we are shifting to other side, it will be changed to negative. When something is getting multiplied and we shift it to other side, that number will get divided. Like in case of linear equations also. So this rule is same. Plus changes to minus, multiplication changes to division. Now second one, from here itself I'll explain. If I have something like this, 1 by 3x minus 4 less than 16. Now if I have to find the value of x here, 4 I will shift to other side. 4 we will shift to other side. If we shift 4 to other side, here negative 4 is there. Negative 4 is there. So negative 4, when I shift to other side, it will change to positive 4. So 16 plus 4. So that means minus, when we shift that number to other side, minus will be changed to plus. Now here this 3, if I have to shift to other side, see this 3 is getting divided here. 3 is getting divided here. When we shift 3 to other side, it will get multiplied with the other number. So that means division will change to multiplication. So this thing is same in case of inequations also as we used to do in case of equations. Only one different rule is there that I will explain you with the help of next example. So here itself I'll explain. So two rules I have explained you. Plus will change to minus, multiplication will change to division, minus will change to plus and division will change to multiplication while solving. Now third one. If I have inequation like this, one with the help of example only I am just going to explain. So x minus 8 minus x is less than equals to 4x minus 2. If we have inequation like this, so how we will solve it? First of all, like terms we will write together. So here minus x and minus 4 like terms, so minus plus 4 like terms and 8 and minus 2 are like terms. So like terms I will write together, that means shifting of terms here and there I have to do. So this 4x we have to shift to other side and 8 we have to shift to other side. So here negative x is there, as it is I will write. When 4x will shift to other side, it will become minus 4x. When 4x we are shifting to other side, it will become minus 4x less than equals to. Here negative 2 is already there, and when 8 we shift to other side, because it's positive 8 as per the rules which I have explained you before this. So positive number will be changed to negative number. Now we can simplify. Here minus minus is plus, we know. So minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5x less than equals to minus 10. Again minus minus plus. So minus 10. Now you can see, we can see here with x we have negative 5. With x we have negative 5. So that means now, see previously I told you if multiplication is there, we'll shift it to other side and it will get divided. But now the number is negative. The coefficient of x is what? Negative. Coefficient of x is negative. Whenever this type of situation is there, what we have to do? We have to shift. We have to shift x, this minus 5 to other side, and here minus 5, when we shift it to other side, it will get divided as per the rule. But since we are shifting negative coefficient, the sign of inequality will get reversed. If I have less than equals to, it will be changed to greater than equals to. So this is the difference. If I have less than, it will be changed to greater than. So sign of inequality will get changed whenever negative coefficient of x we are shifting to other side. So this, for this one, so x is greater than equals to, here 5 and 5 now will get cancelled. After doing cancellation, this is the solution. X is greater than equals to 2. So I hope you have understood this rule. If anyone has any confusion now, you can just let me know. Other rules are all similar, only this rule is different. Whenever negative coefficient of x you are shifting to other side, you have to reverse the sign of inequality. What you have to do, you have to reverse the sign of inequality. So anyone, any doubt till here? See, unless you respond, I won't be knowing whether you are able to understand or not. If till here you have understood, then we can start doing questions. Because linear inequations, it's a very easy topic, but most of the time I have seen that students still they will make mistake. Okay, no doubt. So then let's start the questions. First question. Okay, so no doubts. First question. The solution set for the inequation. So one inequation is given to us. We have to find the solution set. So solution we have to find. See, in case of linear equations, we used to have only one answer. Like if I have x plus 5 is equals to 0, so x is equals to minus 5. So only one answer we used to have in case of linear equations. But now in linear inequations, in linear inequations, we can have multiple answers. We can have multiple answers. I'll show you how. So one inequation is given to us. So what is an equation? And you can solve it along with me and share the answers also. So inequation is 2x plus 4 less than equals to 14. 2x plus 4 less than equals to 14. Let's solve it. First of all, 4 will shift to other side. First of all, 4 we are shifting other side. So 2x is less than equals to 14 minus 4. 14 minus 4. So 2x less than equals to 10. Now 2 we will shift to other side. So it is getting multiplied this side. When we shift it to other side, it will get divided. So we'll get our solution x less than equals to 5. So we got the value of x less than equals to 5. Now this is the answer, but solution set means here you can see one thing in the question. It says x belongs to. See, this is the symbol of belongs to. Belongs to. So x belongs to, capital W is written. Capital W is a set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers. So whole numbers I hope you know, but still I'll tell you. Whole numbers means numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So these are the whole numbers, no negative number, no fractions, no decimals. So x should only belong to whole numbers. Okay, so many of you have given the answers. Option B. Okay, let's check. So here x should belong to whole number. So I've got this. X is less than equals to 5. So whole number I know it starts from 0. So 0 is also the value of x because x is less than equals to 5. 1 is also less than 5. 2 is also less than 5. 3 is also less than 5. 4 is also less than 5. And here it is less than equals to. That means 5 is also included. That means 5 is also included. So x is equals to 0, 1, 2. You can see we have multiple values of x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 values of x are possible here. So option B. B option is the correct answer. So let's do next question. Question number 2. So it's given to us minus 8 less than equals to 2x less than 8. Again x belongs to whole numbers. So whole numbers I have told you it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So this is the set of whole numbers. From whole numbers we have to choose our solution. This is the, see whenever two inequalities are there, here you can see we have two inequalities. This is also symbol of inequality. This is also symbol of inequality. When we have two inequalities, part by part we will solve. When we have two inequalities, we will solve part by part. So first of all this part we can solve and then this part we can solve. So if I solve this one, it is minus 8 less than equals to 2x. minus 8 less than equals to 2x. So other part is what? 2x less than 8. 2x less than 8. Now we can just solve it. Two values of x we will get. So from here we have to solve the value of x. That means 2 will shift to other side. So when we shift 2 to other side, it will get divided. It will get divided. So minus 8 divided by x. So here we don't have to reverse the sign of inequality because the coefficient of x is positive only. So minus 4 less than equals to x. Or I can say x is greater than equals to minus 4. We can also write it in this way because see the open mouth of this inequality. X is greater than equals to minus 4. This is the first solution. Second one from here, let's solve. Let's shift 2 to other side. So 2 when I shift to other side, it will get divided. So I'll get x is less than 4. We'll get x is less than 4. So two values of x we have gotten here. So let's see which one is the answer. So one single thing I'll write. See here x is less than 4. I'll combine both the answer. X is less than 4 and x is greater than equals to minus 4. So x belongs to whole number. So from this range, which all whole numbers are there, all we have to include. See minus 4 is there. Minus 4 is there. Then after minus 4, see if we see number line, from number line easily we can figure out because number lines are very important for this chapter. If we see number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So this is number line. 0 is there in the center. Right side positive integers, left side of 0 negative integers. So minus 4 is there because whole numbers only. Then minus 3 is also there. Minus 4, minus 3. Then minus 2 is also there because, okay, so C option. 1 second, see x belongs to whole numbers. Whole numbers I have told you only numbers starting from 0. The numbers starting from 0 as per this solution set x can have these values minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. 4 is not included here because their equality is not there. 4 is not included because equality is not there. So these are the values, but these are not the values of the solution. Solution has only those numbers which are whole numbers. So which are whole numbers? These are the whole numbers. So here our solution set is 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is the answer which is option C. So C option. Very good. So many of you have already given the answer option C. Let's do next question now. Question number 3. The solution set of the inequation. So inequation is given to us x minus 3 greater than equals to minus 5. And here x belongs to real numbers. So real numbers, capital R is the symbol of real numbers. Real number means all numbers on number line. When I am saying all numbers, it says positive, negative, zero, fractions, decimals, rational, irrational. Every number is a real number. So in equation is given to us. Let's simplify and find the answer. So x value we have to solve. Minus 3 if we shift to other side. So it will become plus 3. So minus 5 is already there on other side. So minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus plus is minus. So 5 minus 3 is 2 and the sign which is with the greater number. With greater number, minus sign is there. So x is greater than equals to minus 2 is the solution here. So when real numbers are there, when we have real numbers, we cannot write because all the numbers, if this is a number line, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So it says x is greater than equals to minus 2. So if I am starting from minus 2, all the numbers, decimal numbers, everything is included. So we cannot write because infinite solutions are there. Here infinite solutions are there in case of real numbers. So we will just write the inequation along with the replacement set. So this one from which our x belongs, so this is known as the replacement set. From which the set from which we have to choose our solution, that set is known as replacement set. This set is solution set. Solution is known as solution set, and the set from where we are choosing our solution, that is known as replacement set. So this is the solution. You can see option C. Option C. As it is, we have to write. Numbers we cannot write because here real numbers is a set of infinite solutions. Option C. Yes, Sanika, Sajila, Shreyasi, Anika and Monish has given the answer. If anyone has any doubt, you can just let me know. Any doubts? Till here, are you able to understand? Only 3 questions we have done. Anyone, any doubt? Okay, then let's do next one. The solution set on the number line of the linear inequation. So linear inequation is given to us. Linear inequation is, okay, no doubts. Okay, then we are good to do the next question. 2y minus 6 less than y plus 2. 2y minus 6 less than y plus 2 less than equals to 2y. Again, here y belongs to natural numbers. That means our solution should be taken from the set of natural numbers. So natural numbers we know. Natural numbers. So here you should know what are whole numbers, what are real numbers, so what are natural numbers. So natural numbers are all numbers starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. So natural numbers is a set of numbers starting from 1. No decimals, no fractions, no negative numbers. No decimals and no negative numbers, no zero as well. So this is the set of natural numbers. We have to choose our solution from the set of natural numbers. Here natural number is the replacement set. From this set we have to choose our solution. Okay, so let's simplify. Here also 2 inequalities are there. So part by part we'll do. First inequality is this one. So I'll write also 2y minus 6 less than y plus 2, less than y plus 2. So this part we will solve. Then this is the second one. Then we'll simplify that one. So like terms we'll write together. Y we will shift to this side and minus 6 will shift to other side. So 2y, when y we are shifting to this side, plus y will change to minus y, less than as it is. 2, when minus 6 will shift to other side, plus 6. So 2y minus y is y less than 8. Y is less than 8. Now second part I am just solving here. Second part is y plus 2 less than equals to 2y. Y plus 2 less than equals to 2y. So let's shift again like terms. Let's write together. So y is like term with 2y. Y and 2y are like terms. So I'm shifting y to other side. Instead of shifting 2y to this side, I'm just shifting y to other side. So 2 will be left here. 2 less than equals to 2y. This plus y, when I shift to other side, it will be changed to minus y. So 2 is less than equals to 2y minus y is y, or I can say this y is greater than equals to 2. Because see, wherever this open mouth of the inequality is there, so that means greater. So I can write this way also, y is greater than equals to 2. Whenever you are pronouncing it, the pronunciation should be in terms of the variable. Here y is less than 8 and y is greater than equals to 2. If you see number line, see we have to choose our numbers from natural numbers. So if number line we are writing here, this is 0, here negative integers are there, and here right side I have positive integers. So y is, first of all, y is greater than equals to 2. So that means 2 is also there. Since this dark dot means the point is included. 3 is also there. 4 is there. 5 is there. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is not there because it is y is less than 8. Y is not less than equals to 8. Equality is not there. Here we don't have equality. Only y is less than 8. So 8 we don't have to include. Only these numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which number line? Which number line has these points? Option B. No, no option B. In B7, see, on 7 the small circle is there. Circle means the point is not included. Circle means point is not included. So here on 7, circle is there, but 7 is included. So B option is not the correct answer. So Shreyasi has given option B, no. So you can see where these points are there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you see option C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also not there. 8 is included here. This is also not there because 7 is not included. Even 1 is also not there. Okay, so here all the options are like this only. D is also not there because 8 is included here and 1 is also there. Okay, we'll just maybe some printing error. Here 7 should be like this, dark dot. On 7, dark dot should be there. It is not there, but dark dot should be there. I'll just change maybe due to printing error. So option B is the correct answer. If we are changing this circle to small dot. Option C, no, option C is not the answer. Only these points should be there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So is this question clear? There is a printing mistake here. On 7, this circle is there. I just changed this circle to dark dot because the 7 is included here. Solution set is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So anyone, any doubt in this one? Okay, let's do next one then. Question number 5. I have 5x less than 23. 5x less than 23. Let's simplify this, and it's mentioned x belongs to natural numbers. X belongs to natural numbers. That means from natural numbers we have to choose our solution. Natural numbers are the numbers starting from 1. 1, 2, 3 up to so on. This is a set of natural numbers. And here set of natural number is replacement set. We have to choose our solution set from this set. Let's find the value. So x is 5 will shift to other side. X is less than 23 by 5 because here 5 is getting multiplied. When we shift it to other side, 5 will get divided. So x is less than 23 divided by 5. If you divide it, 5 into 4, 20 decimal will write. I hope division everyone knows. 4.6 will get. Yes, so x is less than 4.6. But we have to choose. We have to choose numbers from the set of natural numbers. So this is number line. From natural numbers, if we choose a natural number starting from 1. So 1 is there, 2 is also there, 3 is also there, 4 is also included because 4.6 somewhere here it will come, and 4.6 less than 4.6 I have to choose the numbers. So that means x is equals to, here I am writing equals to because I am writing the solution set 1, 2, 3, 4 because only natural numbers we have to choose. So option A is the correct answer. Option A. Yes, many of you have given the answer. Good. So this is very important thing. You have to see which is the replacement set. Then only you can write the solution. Let's do next question now. Next question, question number 6. The solution set of the inequation when replacement set is natural numbers. Again, it's given to us x is less than 7. Inequation is in its simplified form, x is less than 7, and replacement set is a set of natural numbers. So natural numbers, again we know, natural numbers starting from 1 to infinity, 1 2 3 4 up to so on. This is a set of natural numbers. So what can be solution in this case? What can be solution? So x is less than 7, where x belongs to natural numbers. This is also a solution. We can write the solution in this form also. We can write the solutions in this form also. I can write here solution set is x belongs to natural numbers where x is less than 7. So this is what set builder form. We can write sets in this form also. Set builder form. Then one form is this. We can express our solution in this form also. Other form is this, when we can write in the form of numbers also our solution. So x is less than 7, less than 7, all the natural numbers I can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is not included because it is not less than equals to 7. So that's why 7 is not included. So both the ways I can write the solution in this form also and in this form also. So that means option C is the correct answer. Option C. So many times students can do mistake here. They will choose option B. Now both are the correct ways to write the solution. So C option is the correct answer. So is this question clear? Option C is the correct answer. So that's why MCQs, whenever we are attempting, our basics should be very good, because here confusions will be there. The options you will feel this is also correct option, this is also correct option. So we have to be very logical here. Yes, so question number 7, next one. It's given to us 5x is less than 23. 5x is less than 23. Again, if we solve the value of x, I'll get 23 by 5. So x is less than 4.6 I'll get. X is less than 4.6. Now here a replacement set is set of integers. So x belongs to z, they have mentioned. This capital Z is a symbol of set of integers. So what are integers? I want you people to tell me what are integers. Here our replacement set is the set of integers. So integers are all numbers. No decimal, no fractions, positive and negative, as well as 0. So -1, +1, 0, +2, -3. So all positive as well as negative, excluding decimals. So these are the integers. So here -3 is integer, -2 is integer, 1, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is integer. So now I have to, yes, positive and negative numbers including 0 are integers. So x is less than 4, less than 4.6. So from integers I have to write. If I see number line, from number line always try to write and try to see the number line and then think what could be the solution. See here 4.6 will come. 4.6 is not an integer because it's a decimal number. So less than 4.6 means 4 is there. 4, 3, 2, all numbers starting from here. It will go till negative infinity, all, because here there is no boundary. It is only x is less than -4.6. So that means it will start, all negative integers will be there, then -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is included because here x should be less than 4.6. So less than 4.6, all the integers I have to include where 4 is also integer. So this is the solution. But whenever we are writing set, order of the numbers doesn't matter. Order of numbers, order of numbers doesn't matter whenever we are writing set. So that means this is a solution. X can also be this 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, up to so on. See, whenever we are writing set, order doesn't matter. And in any order we can write. If I have any set like this 1, 2, 3, 4, I can also write it as x is equals to 2, 1, 4, 3. So order doesn't matter. Because of that, here also both A and B options are correct. So option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Let's do next one now. So inequation is given to us. We have to find the value of x. Solution set we have to find. 2 into x minus 4 less than 1. Now replacement set is given to us, not in terms of natural numbers, real number. It's just given to us in the form of one set. X belongs to this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is our replacement set now. From here we have to choose our answer. Let's simplify this and find the value of x. So bracket is there, we'll have to do bracket multiplication. To 2 into x is 2x, 2 into 4 is 8, less than 1. Now let's shift minus 8 to other side. When I shift minus 8 to other side, it will become positive 8. So 2x is less than 9. Now 2 we have to shift to other side, so 9 by 2. So x is less than 9 by 2. If we simplify, x is less than 4.5. X is less than 4.5. But from this one we have to choose. So our solution set is x is less than 4.5. So x is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Why 4 is included? Because x here we got x is less than 4.5. So this is the solution set, option C. Let's do next question now. So question number 9, it says if x is greater than -3, if x is greater than -3, then what will be the value? Here we have to, here this is like fill in the blanks. Here we have to mention inequality sign. So these type of questions, how we can do, we can take few examples and then we can figure out which sign should come. So here it is mentioned x is greater than -3. If you see number line again, so this is number line, so x is greater than -3. So x is going towards right side. So that means x can have these possibilities -2, -1, any value. Maybe here nothing is mentioned, so negative, positive, fraction, decimal, anything is possible. But x is greater than -3. So what I am just assuming, I'm just assuming x equals to -2, because -2 is also greater than -3. You can see here I have -2. So this side I am going negative numbers, smaller are the greater ones. So I am just substituting here. -2 is also greater than -3. So if I write here -2, -2 plus 5, -2 plus 5 in this blank, if I am substituting x value as -2, I will get answer as 3. So here we know 3 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. You can consider any other value also of x. X if you consider minus 1 also. If you consider 0 also. For any, as per this one, when x is greater than minus 3, if you substitute 1, if you are substituting 1 in this one, so this will be 1 plus 5. Again 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 is also greater than 2. So any value, you can see, for any value of x, when x is greater than minus 3, you're always getting this side greater than 2. That means which option? Option B. Option B is the correct answer. So you have to think, you can take few examples, you can solve this inequation and you can get the answer. So I have taken few values of x, I substituted here, always I am getting this side greater than 2. So that's why this inequality is the correct answer. Is this thing clear? Let's do next question. Question number 10. So question number 9th and 10th, they are little like logical, more logical. So now it's mentioned 1 by x minus 2. It's less than 0. Then here which inequality will come? So x dash 2, which inequality will come? Now you see, this also with logic only will apply. See, if any fraction, I'll say a by b is any fraction. Here this is a fraction. 1 by x minus 2 is a fraction only, because here I have numerator as well as denominator. If any fraction is less than 0, see, less than 0 means negative numbers. Less than 0 means negative numbers. So in which case our fraction is negative? Either if I have any fraction, if I have minus 2 by 3, if I have minus 2 by 3, then its answer will be less than 0. Then its answer will be less than 0. I will get minus 0.6. Or if I have fraction here, my numerator is negative. Or I might have the possibility, if I have suppose 5 by minus 2, then also if I solve this one, here denominator is negative. In first example which I have taken, numerator is negative. Now this is the second example, here denominator is negative. For this one also I will get my answer as negative 2.5. So what I am trying to explain here, the fractions answer will be negative. The fractions answer will be negative if either, not both, either numerator is negative or denominator is negative. Either numerator is negative or denominator is negative. Negative means less than 0. Here my numerator is positive because 1 is given to us. Here numerator is positive. In the given example, numerator is positive. So that means because 1 is given to us and 1 is positive. See, you can see also 1 is positive. If numerator is positive, that means surely denominator will be negative. Then only the answer will be less than 0. Less than 0 means negative. So that means x minus 2 will be negative. Negative means less than 0. So if I solve this, so minus 2 I'll shift to other side. It will become plus 2. So x is less than 2. X is less than 2. So that means here less than symbol will come option A. Yes, Monish has sent the answer option A. Option A is the correct answer. If anyone has any doubt in this question, let me know. I'll explain it once again. See, less than 0 means a negative number. So any fraction, it can be negative when it can have only one, not both. See, if both numerator and denominator are negative, then negative and negative sign will get cancelled and the fraction's answer will be greater than 0 because we will get positive answer. So only one thing can be negative, either numerator or denominator. Here numerator is already positive because minus 1 is given to us. That means denominator will be negative. So negative means what? Negative means less than 0. I I made denominator negative and I found the value of x. So is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? This question was very different compared to the previous questions. I don't see any responses. If you have any doubt, you can just let me know. If no doubt, we can just do the next questions. Shall we do the next questions? Okay, no doubts. Let's do then. So MCQs, 10 MCQs we have done. Now let's do assertion and reason based questions. So 4 to 5 questions we will do, and then we'll just end the class. So options are there in assertion and reason based. So these options we will be using in next few questions. So option A, as usual, A is true, R is false. Option B, A is false, R is true. Option C, both A and R are true. And option D, both A and R are false. So these are the options. So let's do the first question now. The first question, assertion. Let's read assertion. Linear equation, inequation can have multiple solutions. Linear inequation can have multiple solutions. So tell me, will it be true or false? We have discussed this thing. So here it says linear inequations can have multiple solutions. So is this statement true or false? I have discussed this thing, and I think while doing the first question. Yes, it is true. It can, in mostly all of the questions we have found multiple solutions only. So this one is true. Assertion is true. Linear inequation can have multiple solutions. Let's see our statement now. The solution set of a linear inequation may contain more than one value of the solution, more than one value of the variable. Variable means like x, y, in whichever variable our linear inequation is there. So at this also same thing, only they have mentioned multiple means more than one only. Here they have used word multiple, here they have used word multiple, and here they have used the word more than one. So multiple means more than one only. So that means R is also true. So both are true. So which option? Both are true. So write this as well as the option. So option C. Both are true. So C option is the correct answer. Let's do next one now. This was very easy. Yes. So next question, question number 2. Question number 2, assertion statement. Assertion statement is solving a linear inequation involving the real numbers may result in empty solution set. Empty solution set means we will not get any solution at all. So linear inequation, when sometimes they have mentioned empty solution set also we can get. So what does it mean? Suppose I have linear inequation like this. X is less than 2 and x is again less than minus 2. Suppose I have linear inequation like this. X is less than minus 2 and x is less than 2 also. So do you think we will get any solution for this? If you see number line, if you see again number line, this is number line. So here as per number line, x is less than 2. So x is less than 2. X is not this one. So x is greater than 2. So x is greater than 2 means here this side the solution will go. X is less than minus 2. So this side it will go. Do you think we have any solution for this one? Solution means the common part should be there. For this one, do you think we will have any solution? Because nothing is common. Solution, whenever we are choosing common solution, we have to choose. Whenever this type of solutions are there. So here nothing is common. So that means solving a linear inequation involving real numbers. may result in empty solution set. Yes, so here solution set will be empty because there is no solution for this one. So that means A is true. What about statement R? Linear inequations with contradictory conditions cannot have any solution in the set of real. Both the statements are same only. Here also they have mentioned empty solution set. Empty solution set means cannot have any solution. Empty solution means cannot have any solution. So only wordings they have changed. Wordings they have changed, but both the statements are same in meaning. So meaning is same. So that means R is also true. A is true. A is true and R is also true. I hope this is clear to everyone. So both are true here. Both A and R are true. Again C option. You have to write the option as well. So C option. Both A and R are true. Only wording was different. Here empty solution set also means no solution. No solution and cannot have any solution. Let's do next question now. Question number 3. Assertion. A statement. The solution set of a linear inequation in real numbers can be represented using interval notation. Interval notation. What is interval notation? Interval notation is this. A to B. Like 1 to 3 or also like this. This is interval notation. So this means x lies between this. So this means x lies. So this is the interval form or interval notation you can say. This is what interval notation. Interval notation. The solution set in an equation can be represented and only in case of real numbers. Real numbers only we can express this. Only in case of real numbers, because in case of integers our solution set will be like this. Integers, natural numbers or whole numbers. But in case of real numbers we can write the solution with interval notation also. So then first one is true, it's mentioned. We can express, yes we can express, so A is true. What about R? Interval notation provides a concise and efficient way to express the solution set of inequalities involving real numbers. So this is also true. So here I have shown you examples also. You can see how easily we can express in the form of interval, and this is very efficient method also. So both are true. So C option. Both A and R are true. Option C is the correct answer. Let's do question number 4. Assertion. Linear inequations with the variable x belonging to the set of natural numbers always have a finite solution set. So if I have something like that, x is less than suppose 4.6 only. We have done this today, but x belongs to natural numbers. So what is the answer of this one? What is the solution set? 1, 2, 3, 4. So linear inequations with the variable x. So here variable is x belonging to the set of natural numbers. So x belongs to natural number, always have a finite solution set. Finite solution set means where we can count the number of solutions. Finite means what? Finite means where the number of values of x are countable. So is it true? Can we always see if I have x less than 100 also? If I have x less than 100 also, so x less than 100 means I can still count till 99 it will go. if I have to consider natural number also, if x is less than 1000 also. So always when I am considering the set of natural numbers, the variable, this is variable, they are mentioned, then it will have linear inequations with the variable x belonging to the set of natural numbers always have a finite solution set. Yes, so it will always have finite solution set. So option first is true. Assertion statement is true. Let's discuss about reason now. The set of natural number consists of finite non-negative integers. So is it true? What do you think? Finite means countable, non-negative means finite means countable. Can you count all the natural numbers? So they have mentioned set of natural numbers. Set of, first of all, understand the statement, then try to answer. First, assertion statement says x can have, x means any variable. Assertion statement says variable will always have finite answers. And that is true. I have shown you also with few examples. But second statement, which is reason statement. Reason statement is telling set of natural number is finite. Non-negative, it's true because natural numbers are non-negative only. But do you think set of natural number is finite? Set of natural number, can you count? Okay, tell me how many natural numbers are there. Let's count natural numbers today. So how many natural numbers are there? So natural numbers are infinite. I don't know how many natural numbers are there. So natural numbers is set of natural number is not finite. Only x can be finite. So here it's mentioned x, here it is mentioned n only. So statement A is true but R is false. So which option then? Which option? Option A. A is true, R is false. So I hope this is clear because at starting many of you gave the answer both the statements are true. Mostly everyone was telling both the statements are true. So you have to understand the concept and then answer. So A is true and R is false. Let's do question number 5. This will be the last question of today's class. Assertion will see if the solution set of a linear inequation is represented on a number line, the solution includes the endpoints of the inequality involves less than or equals to or greater than or equals to. So if I have something like this, x is less than equals to 6 and x is greater than equals to 2. So that means endpoints are involved. So this is the meaning of first statement. So what are the endpoints? So endpoints are 2 and 6. These are the endpoints 2 and 6. So here when you express this on a number line, endpoints are involved because of this inequality. So endpoints are involved. This is what the meaning of assertion statement is. So is it true? When I have an equation like this, do we include endpoints or we don't include? We include or we don't include? No answers? We include. See, whenever this equality, if I have to write solutions at any, suppose x belongs to natural number also, I will write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll include it. So we will include, this is the meaning of this equality. See, x is less than equal. So whenever this equality is there, we include. So that means first statement is true. So they have mentioned it includes. See. It includes the endpoints if the inequality is like that. So assertion is true. Let's discuss about the reason. So only equals to inequality with and symbol equals to indicate the endpoint is included. So now inequality is like this: x is greater than 2 and less than 6. Only equals to. Inequality, one second, inequality symbols with an equal to component includes that the endpoint is included in the in the solution set when represented on the number line. So is it true? Is it true? Inequality symbol with an equal to component indicate that the endpoint is included in the solution set when represented on the number line. Here also actually same thing they have mentioned, equals to only they have mentioned, but it is only equals to. Inequality symbol along with the equal to. So inequality symbol means less than or greater, with an equals to means it will be like this. So this means the end point is included in the solution set when represented on the number line. So this is also true. So both are true here. So that means option C. So both are true because here also both the statements, only wording was little different but meaning is same. So here we have completed the first class of linear inequations. MCQs we have done. Along with MCQs, assertion reason based questions we have done. Subjective type of questions will continue tomorrow in the next class. I hope you have understood. If anyone has any doubt, you can just let me know. Then we'll just wrap up today's class. Okay, no doubts. Okay, thank you for attending today's class. I hope you have understood the concept. I'll see you in my next class.